Alright, hi everybody, I'm Mike from Paula Plumber. This is another edition of our weekly Facebook video series that we've been doing. Hopefully we can start doing a little more than just the weekly series as we keep going here. Today we're going to be talking about fall homeowner tips, so stuff that you can do during the fall to get your house ready to go as the temperatures start to drop. We're coming up on Labor Day weekend now, and it's a good idea to kind of get some of these things going. So the first tip is to dust and or vacuum your heating vents. Go to all your supply and return grills within the house, take a vacuum and get all the debris out of there, dust around. That way you can really maximize the efficiency of your system, and you're going to be getting a lot cleaner air coming up through your vents. Another great tip is to extend the downspouts coming off your house. If the downspouts are 10 feet away from your foundation, it can cause water to well up and then have moisture actually go into your basement, so it's a good idea to do that as well. Another good tip is to drain and store all your hoses. You want to empty your hoses completely, take them off the nozzle, and put them away where they're not going to freeze. If you leave them out there and leave water in them, they can actually freeze up, expand, and then the hose can actually burst. So you want to put those away into somewhere warmer for the winter. The last tip you want to consider as we enter these colder months is to upgrade your thermostat. You can get a programmable thermostat that allows you to set the temperature that you want at different times throughout the day. That way, if nobody's around, it can save energy instead of running at full capacity like it generally would with a non-programmable thermostat. Good thermostats to look into now are the Nest thermostat that's from Amazon, and it's super smart, super efficient, and it can really help you save a lot of money on your utility bills. So I hope you enjoyed these tips. If you know anybody who owns a home that would benefit from seeing this video, feel free to share. And if you have anything that you'd like us to talk about, leave a comment below with any questions or anything you'd like to see us do a video on in the future.